Hello, this is a video I'm creating for you to be able to make payments to the Franchise Tax Board for your elective um, payment for the SALT limitation issue. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website, the https www.ftb.ca.gov. Okay, that's what this website is. You click on the pay button, and then you scroll down here. I would suggest you use the bank account. You can use a credit card, but they're going to charge you 3%, so I would suggest you use the bank account option. And then it's very important here that you pay by bank account. You want to do this from a business bank account, okay? And you're going to select Use Web Pay Business. And then it's going to come here and ask you what kind of business you have. And so if you have an S corporation, you go here. If you have an LLC, you use this one. And if you have a partnership, you use this one. Okay? So I'm using this one right now. And what they want here is your entity ID. This is your California entity ID. It will be found on the top right portion of the first page of your Form 100S. So Form 100S if you're a corporation and 565 if you're a partnership. And then you're going to put in the figures here. Just type that in and go log in. And then it comes up with the name and it's verifying the name, and then it asks for your contact information. So I'm just doing my own right now. So we're going to go back there. And then if you're filing for a corporation, these are the options. If you did a partnership, you're going to want to select the 565. But for corporation, S Corp, it's going to be 100S. Okay, so you select that button. And then it's going to give you this type of payment question here. And you want the very last one, the pass-through entity elective form. And then you click continue. And fiscal year filers. Okay, so basically this is for the beginning date of your tax year. So you're making it for this very first tax year, and then the period ending date is December 31 and 21. Okay, and then you put in your payment amount. So I'm just going to, for illustration, put in $10,000, and you're going to put in payment date. Must be today's date or future date. So I'm just going to go ahead and use today's date, which is 12/28, 2021. You have to follow their format here and put full date in. Click on continue, and there's a problem. Click below. Dollars and cents only, so I didn't put in cents, and it didn't figure that out. So, and I guess today is the 29th. I don't even know the date. There you go. Okay. So now it wants you to put in your bank information and whether it's a checking or savings, and you'll hit continue. And once you do that, you know, I'm just gonna so I'm just going to do that, and I'm just making up numbers now. Put in checking and continue, and it wants a real routing number. So let's use a real routing number here. I'm just trying to make an example of this. Real routing number 121.143.260. and continue. Okay, and so this is the entire request. I'm gonna scratch this, but basically then you give them an email address and your phone number, and you check this and submit, and that's going to send your payment in. Okay, so that's what you want to do. I'm going to get in trouble here because this is not my account number, so I can't continue on this. But this is how you do it, and then you submit. And once you submit, that's pretty much going to take your payments, and at that point, you'll be able to have your payment set up, okay? And then you'll be able to, as I explained to you previously, deduct this payment on your federal taxes and get a credit for approximately the same amount that you can use for your California taxes. Okay, thank you very much, and please feel free to call me if you have any questions. Thank you.